And in this video, I'll show you how easily you can create engaging and memorable whiteboard animation videos with VideoScribe. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is the project screen. To get started, click the Create a New Scribe button. This takes you to the Edit screen. This main area in the middle is the canvas. It's where you'll build your scribe. Time to start adding elements. Use these buttons in the bottom right to add images, text, and charts. First, let's click the Add New Image button. VideoScribe comes with a huge built-in library of images, which our design team is always adding to and updating. So, there's no need for you to draw anything yourself. You can browse through the folders or use the search bar to find the image you want. When you select your image, it will appear on the canvas. Here, you can move it around, rescale it, and rotate it, just by dragging it with your mouse. And now for the real magic of VideoScribe. Anything you place on the canvas will be automatically animated. Let's preview it to see. There are a number of ways VideoScribe can animate your images, but the default is to draw them. Adding text is just as easy. Click the Add New Text button and type your message in the box. Choose the color, the alignment, the font weight, and the font itself. Click the tick to add it to the canvas. Of course, you can move your text, rescale, and rotate it just like the image. Let's take a look at the timeline at the bottom. See how each element is shown? You can reorder the elements here. Just drag and drop. The timeline also lets you quickly adjust lots of key settings. For example, you can increase or decrease the time it takes to draw each element, like this. You never have to worry about running out of space, because the canvas is infinite. You can simply drag the canvas around and zoom in and out to find a new area. Or, if you prefer, you can use these controls here to move around the canvas. And if you get lost, this button will always show you your full project. At the top of the screen, you'll find the toolbar. This is where you can save your scribe and return to the project screen. This button is for adding music to your scribe. VideoScribe has a diverse library of backing tracks for you to choose from, or you can import your own here. An important part of most great scribes is the voiceover. VideoScribe lets you record your own voiceover here, or you can import one you created earlier. Finally, you'll want to publish and share your video once you're happy with it. VideoScribe gives you lots of publishing options, including posting to Vimeo or using our own video sharing site, show.co. You can also generate a video file with different formats and settings here. And that's how easy it is to create your own animated videos with VideoScribe. For more tutorials and inspiration, visit help.videoscribe.co.